Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, crispy fried garlic butter chicken rolls, crispy crust, delicious fat filling. How to make ingredients: chicken breast fillet 3 pieces, 600 g unsalted butter, 50 grams garlic, 4 cloves, minced very finely. A little cilantro, minced, for color and aroma. 2 eggs, beaten. Flour 50 grams, breadcrumbs 150 grams, cooking oil enough for deep frying. Salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, optional. Steps: wash the chicken breast, drain. Use a sharp knife to thinly slice the chicken breast horizontally, trying to slice into large and even pieces. Marinate the chicken breast pieces with a little salt and ground pepper. You can add a little onion powder, garlic powder to enhance the flavor. Marinate for about 15 minutes. In a small bowl, add the softened butter. Add the minced garlic and chopped cilantro. Mix all the ingredients together until combined. Spread the thinly sliced chicken breast on a clean flat surface. Spread a sufficient amount of garlic butter filling evenly over the entire surface of the chicken. Gently roll the chicken tightly. Use a toothpick or food thread to secure the edges of the roll so that the chicken does not come apart when frying. Prepare 3 plates. Plate 1, all-purpose flour. Plate 2, beaten egg. Plate 3, breadcrumbs. Roll each chicken roll through. Plate 1, Plate 2, Plate 3. Heat cooking oil in a deep pan. The oil must be enough to cover almost all the chicken when frying. When the oil is hot, reduce the heat to medium. Add each chicken roll. Fry until golden brown on all sides. During the frying process, you can use chopsticks to flip the chicken evenly so that it is nicely golden brown. Fry for about 7 minutes depending on the thickness of the chicken roll, until the outer shell is golden brown and the chicken is cooked through. Remove the chicken and place it on absorbent paper. Remove the chicken roll toothpicks before serving. Serving and enjoying. Cut the garlic butter chicken roll into diagonal slices about 1.5 to 2 centimeters thick to reveal the golden garlic butter filling inside. Arrange the chicken on a plate, garnish with lettuce, cherry tomatoes, or a little cilantro. Enjoy hot with chili sauce, tomato sauce, or mayonnaise. This dish is delicious with hot rice, salad, or French fries. Notes: to make the chicken easy to roll and cook evenly, try to slice the chicken breast as thinly and evenly as possible. Do not spread too much garlic butter filling close to the edge of the chicken roll, to avoid too much butter leaking out when frying. Coat the chicken thoroughly and evenly with flour so that when frying, the crispy crust perfectly covers the chicken and garlic butter filling, without gaps causing the butter to leak out. The oil must be hot enough when frying the chicken, but then lower the heat to medium so that the chicken cooks slowly inside without burning the outside. Do not fry too many chicken rolls at the same time to avoid reducing the oil temperature and causing the chicken to absorb oil and not be crispy. If you want to reduce the oil, you can fry it in oil first and then put it in the oven or air fryer to cook it completely. Crispy fried garlic butter chicken rolls is an extremely attractive dish, bringing a unique taste experience. The chicken breast is thinly sliced, tightly rolled with the fragrant, fatty garlic butter filling and a little herbs. Then, the chicken is coated with a layer of crispy fried breadcrumbs and fried until golden brown. This dish makes a strong impression because of the perfect contrast. The crispy, golden fried breadcrumbs on the outside contrast with the soft, juicy chicken inside, and especially the melted garlic butter that permeates the meat, creating an irresistible fatty and fragrant flavor. This is an ideal dish to treat family and friends at small parties or to enrich the daily menu. Thank you for taking the time to watch. See you again in the next delicious food sharing video.